Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a little multi-apping with Walmart Spark and Doordash. We had a pretty good day. We were getting some banger orders on Spark, and we were able to actually make a few dollars with Doordash too. Lots of declining in this video, but the point is I was able to use both apps in conjunction with each other to hit my goal and to hit it quicker than I ever have before, really. Do me a favor, hit that like button and that subscribe button before we get started, and let's go ahead and get right into it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so we just got this one right here, $68.16. That's that 2 p.m. drop off, the 2 p.m. round robin I was telling y'all about. Now this one is almost 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. Actually, no, it is 2-to-1 because we got 33 miles on this order and was paying 68 bucks. So 33 times 2 will give you what, 66. So you're getting 2-to-1 miles to money ratio. Now the only thing is I'm gonna click on this and I'm gonna see if they routing it in a way to make it round trip miles. And it's not quite round trip miles, but if you go ahead and look there, the last drop off is up here. So it's not bringing me all the way back, but it's not leaving me straight up 30 miles away. So sometimes when you get orders like this, it'll leave you, the full distance away from your pickup. This one, I'm only gonna be about 10 miles away on my last pickup. And this is a $70 order. So we will be accepting that. Thank you, I appreciate it. So now we're sitting at 63, almost 64 bucks. And now we just got a $68 order. This one order, estimated time is 1 hour and 44 minutes. That's cake. That's absolutely cake, because what I find with these batch trips is 8 drops on this one. One of them is alcohol, so we will have to scan some identification. But what I typically find is these orders is gonna be dropped off quicker than what's estimated right here. It's estimating that it's gonna take me almost 2 hours to pick this up. I think I'm gonna get this done in 1 hour and 25 minutes. Now we got about 20 minutes until I can pick it up, but that's cool. I don't mind waiting. I'll turn Grubhub on and I'll see if I can get Dash now and see if I can pick up an order that's going a mile or 2 away. No more than 2.5 miles, since I know that I need to be right back here at Sam's Club. One of the orders, I wasn't able to confirm arrival, and I had to waste the extra 20 minutes talking to support, verifying that I dropped off the order, and it cost me some time, y'all. It really did. It cost me like 20, 25 minutes, but we still got that order done in 2 hours flat. And we got some additional trip earnings because it took them like 12 minutes to bring the order out when we was at Sam's Club. So with that additional 12 minutes and that additional 25 minutes of me waiting, it did make it a full 2 hours. And then what also didn't help is that schools are letting out right now. So the additional traffic on the road with the school buses, that's something you do got to take into account when you're doing those orders during the times where the school bus is going to be on the road. But all in all, it still was a good order. We sitting at 140 bucks on the day now. And altogether, I have been out for, I guess technically now, 5 hours, or 4.5 hours. But since I left the house, it's been 5 hours. 5 hours, 140 bucks. And we got $13 for 16 miles coming in right there. I'm going to leave that alone because it got an estimated time of 24 minutes. But I am going to try to get an order up here at this Walmart. But I just needed to make sense because, that $70 order did put us on the map. I'm not going to front about that. But at the same time, I don't want to be doing no charity work. All right, guys. So we are basically going to be logging back into Doordash. It's now 4:30. I got a dash from 4:30 to 6:30. And we're going to see what they send me first. Hopefully they send me something good, because I'm trying to still multi-app Doordash and Spark at the same time. Okay, so we got an order coming in. We got $12.17 for 6.2 miles. I'll go ahead and take that. Oh, snaps, and it looks like we got a Spark order coming in at the same time. Ooh, this one is another banger, another Sam's Club banger. Okay, we got $76.80, 33.7 miles, 5 drops, estimated time 1 hour and 26 minutes. I'm taking that, boy. 2 Sam's Club bangers in one day. Let's go. So we are finna get this pizza, get that picked up and dropped off, and then we're gonna be heading over to Sam's Club to check in for this banger number 2. Let's get it. This order is gonna put me at $200 on the day. And if I can, matter of fact, if I can get this Doordash order dropped off, this Doordash stack and this Sam's Club order dropped off all within 2 hours of me accepting it, that'll be another $87 in 2 hours. Let's get it. So the time is now 6:20 p.m. and look how dark it is, man. 6 o'clock, it is literally pitch black. Now, we just got all of those orders dropped off. It literally took us only an hour and 8 minutes total from them bringing the order out to the last drop off, and it had round trip miles on it, so we not 30 something plus miles away. Now I'm getting Spark orders coming in right now. I was navigating myself back, but we still got us a DoorDash shift too. I was able to pause and unpause my DoorDash repeatedly until I finally lost the dash, but then I was able to log back in, and now we got like a little 2-3 hour time block on DoorDash. So I am pretty tired and I am at $200, but we're gonna see what we get on the way back. It was like 6:12 when we got done with that one. Since then, we made $87 in that 1 hour, so that was great. No, actually 88, because that Sam's Club order was 76, so that was great. But since then, since 6:12, from 7:12 to 8:12, things have not been so great. We have not gotten any more Spark orders, so that's the first thing. You know, that really played a big difference on how the earnings was going. So these last 2 hours ain't been so great. We got an $8 order going 12 miles away. We did not do that one. We got another $8 order going 11 miles away. We didn't do that one either. And then we got a $5 order going 3 miles. We didn't do that one. A $3 Chick-fil-A order. And that's when I really started to understand that the tides was starting to change and we wasn't finna really get good DoorDash orders back to back, because our acceptance rate actually had went up to like 32. But now it's back down in the 20s. They continued to send me trash. They sent $6 for 4 miles KFC. But then we got lucky. We got $5 for 2 miles at Bubba Cool's Burritos. So that one was nice. And then we got, ooh, that stack was bad. But we got a shopping order that we didn't take. And we got a Chick-fil-A order that we did take. Long story short, look, we made like $13 in 2 hours. No, $13 in an hour and a half. And then once we got to the 2 hour mark, we ended up getting a, what was it, a $6 Chick-fil-A order. That got us up to $20. And now we just got a $7 Chick-fil-A order after driving the whole round trip miles back on the last one. So yeah, we about to be at the 3 hour mark after dropping off that Sam's Club order, and we ain't even at $30. But you know what? With me already hitting my goal, I'm just counting all this as like extra money on top. If I was really counting on how much I made per hour, it'd be straight trash. It'd be like $10 an hour for these last 3 hours. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Finished off pretty good on Walmart Spark. As you can see, it's bright outside now. It's a brand new day. I'm posted in the back of Walmart right now. We're gonna go over the earnings from yesterday. We did $174.59 on Walmart Spark, and it actually is gonna go up a little bit more than that because 2 of those orders were Sam's Club orders. We waited 10 minutes for the curbside pickup, and you get additional trip earnings. So both of those are going to go up by like $3 to $5 each. But we did $174.59 in earnings and tips, and everything was confirmed. We did that on 3 orders on Spark. We did a total of 3 dashes on DoorDash throughout the whole day. My full dash time is 9 hours and 41 minutes. So that's technically the full time I was out because I started out with DoorDash. But out of that 9 hours and 41 minutes, I was only active for 3 hours. Woo! Actually, that's not even right because that's counting my dash time from Monday too. And on Monday, I had 2 hours of dash time. So let's really subtract 2 hours from that. Dash time was 7 hours and 41 minutes, my bad. And out of that 7 hours and 41 minutes, we was active for, okay, about 3 hours. So still, the active time and the dash time don't line up. But we did $67.57 on DoorDash. So we want to add our $174 to that. We made $241, almost really like $240. But after the additional trip earnings, it's really gonna go up to like $250. We can go ahead and just call that a $250 day on about 8 hours of work. I can dig it. Walmart Spark really came through with those Sam's Club offers, but that's why it's important that you have other apps you can multi-app with, i.e. DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats, you know, Skip Cart, Amazon, something you can do in between the app that you get your bigger orders on. Now listen, I'm already out here on day number 2. I already got my first order of the day. I left out the house at 6:20 a.m. trying to get that good old Sam's Club drop. And we did get a Sam's Club order. It came in at $17 for 2 miles. And that's a great order. But I was like, you know what? I feel like it's something better out here. I feel like it might be something better. I canceled that order, y'all. I straight up canceled that order. It was a great one. Only had 1 drop off too. Tell me why I got this right here. Boom. $9. 6.5 miles. You can't beat it. So look, we finna rock out with this. Thanks for watching this video. Comment below. Let me know what you out there hitting your goals with, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.